What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix a weed eater or a string trimmer broken trigger. So, is your trigger broken? Then you came to the right place. We're going to show you how to fix it. Very easy fix. And this example is going to be on this Echo GT225. And I have a brand new trigger from Rotary that I found on Amazon. I'll have a link down in the description down below. You're going to have 5 T25 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's get those out. And just like that, all the bolts are out. Well, there's still one in there, but I got them all undone. So we got 5 T25s. And this should crack open now. As you can see, this thing is dirty as heck. And it just sat in the sun too long. So now, if we're looking right here, there's our broken trigger. This should just squeeze right up, just like this, go like that, and that comes out. And we're going to take our new one, which now looking at it, this does not look like the right trigger. Yeah, it's definitely not the right trigger. Okay, now that we got the right throttle, not this one, but this one, it was an accident, mistakes happen. We got a spring here. Now you got a real long side and a real short side. So what you got to do is you got to see this hole right here, put the short side in there to where that spring hole lines up with that hole. That's going to go in here on this nub here. And this back part of the spring is going to go back there. And now the trigger has spring action. So once you understand that, just take it off. We'll put the throttle in now. And then re-put it back in. I just wanted to show you guys that. Now right off here, you want to make sure that this part of the throttle cable goes in this little clip here. Just like that. It's embedded in there, like that. That's going to go all the way down and around through here. And then we reassemble this whole thing. Once you guys got it, you're going to put in your bolts. Remember, they're T25, but there was 5 of them. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new throttle. Let's make sure it's working back here. And there you go. Old broken one is replaced. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button. Also, share it with someone you know has a broken throttle, because we all know someone who breaks them. Last thing to get this running is carburetor. So make sure you hit that bell to get updates for when that video comes out. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. It would have came out a lot sooner have I not bought the wrong part. But that's just what happens in the case of mechanic work. Sometimes you accidentally get the wrong part. Got it all done. This is my machine, but if I had to say, if it was a customer's, that job would have been a $65 job. I would have charged $10 for the parts and about $50 for work, so about 65 bucks. It would have been a quick, easy job. You know, nothing too technical. Still made some good money. So I'm gonna start trying to do that now at the end of every video. Tell you guys what I would charge for that job, because it's all gonna go towards, you know, a bigger process. And don't worry, my price guide is coming out. I printed it out, so you guys are going to be able to have a free PDF for that. Like, you guys can download if you guys want to. I know you guys, a lot of you guys want to see the price guide. So that's coming out hopefully sometime next week. I appreciate you guys for being here. As always, thank you for watching Simply Andrews Repairs, and you guys have an excellent day.